Hi, I'm Chad Murray. I'm the owner of Master Services at Chimney. I'm a certified master chimney technician, one of the few in the state and one of the very few in the country. And I'm here to talk to you today about the waterproofing bundle that is on this report and I tell you the benefits of why we want to completely seal your fireplace from letting any moisture in by this process. The process involves the full coverage chimney cap. We're going to fix any mortar at the top. We're going to seal that mortar at the top on the mortar crown. We're going to waterproof your brick, and then we're going to bond your chimney to the roof. So let's get right into it. I'm going to start from the bottom up. I'm going to tell you exactly why we're going to do this to seal the chimney to create no more damages or no more expenditures you're going to have to do by moisture damage. First, we're going to take and we're going to bond the chimney to the roof so the water will shed off. We're going to take it just above the cut line and we're going to apply this product and we're going to go down over the roof and it's going to create a perfect watershed of the water coming down and onto the roof. No more leaks right in here. That's one of the largest parts of where chimneys do leak at. Secondly, we're going to come in here. We're going to waterproof the brick. Best product out there because it's the biggest part of your chimney chase that actually soaks in water. Brick and mortar is like a sponge. It soaks up all the moisture and then it allows it to penetrate into the flue, which causes deteriorating damage to your flue liner and your components of your fireplace. That's what all the cracking and the rusting of your damper and your lintel all occurs. So we have to stop that moisture penetration into the fireplace. But since it's such a sponge, you have to think about the chimney as a cave. The caves will still perspire on the inside, so they will sweat. So that moisture has to leave. So we don't seal the chimney, it's called waterproofing it. So we're going to allow any moisture from the sweating to leave, but no moisture to come in anymore. And that's right here in this diagram right here. So if you seal the chimney, all that moisture stays in here and you start getting where the bricks are all going to fall apart. You'll get some effervescence, and we want to make sure that the freeze thaw isn't going to occur by allowing the moisture to leave, but no moisture to penetrate from the outside in. Waterproofing, we use a water solvent basis from Chimney Saver. It is the best stuff for the chimney that we could apply, and it's a 10-year warranty. I suggest you waterproof it just for a little over that every 8 years. Next, we're going to go to your chimney, the very top. If your mortar crown is cracked up or anything or missing and stuff, we'll put new mortar up there to get the integrity of the first row of brick. And if there's any loose bricks, we'll fix that, reset them. We want to make sure we have a good solid foundation at the very top. Then we're going to seal it. And we're going to seal it with Crown Coat made from the same company, Chimney Saver, that takes, and they've done all the chemistry on how to solve chimneys from leaking. And so we use all their products. And so this is what Crown Coat looks like. It creates a dome effect. We paint it on and it creates kind of a rubbery substance up at the top to the moisture. If it won't bead, it'll shed off underneath our chimney cap. So we only install full coverage chimney caps. This chimney cap right here is a lifetime warranty. It's going to cover the entire top row of first row of brick. It's going to cover the entire mortar crown and crown coat. It's going to create less moisture, if almost no moisture, penetrating inside the flue liner, which starts deteriorating and becomes a fire hazard, and also rusts your damper and your lintel and your back firewalls and your side firewalls. So all the moisture we can keep out is exactly what we're trying to do with the full coverage chimney cap, and they keep out almost 95% of the damaging moisture. So that's why when we do get moisture in there, we waterproof it so that it'll still escape. But this is going to stop most of the water from coming in. It does carry a lifetime warranty. Like I said, it does have a screen on it to keep out the animals and birds. And it is the best thing with the waterproofing that you could put on your chimney to forever never have all these damaging pricing things that occur to your fireplace over time when using your chimney and fireplace. Now, we have different kind of caps if you want to upgrade. The same base, you can do a number 2 chimney cap right here. It's a hip roof lid. It's just a different look. It does the exact same thing. Neither of them do any hindrance of of the drafting of the chimney. They're all designed to take the draft. If anything, they'll help your draft. And you can upgrade even more to a haze copper. You can do copper to number 1 and number 2 as well, or stainless. We do the colored steel, which is multiple colors and stuff that will match your roofing or match your gutters. With the stainless and the copper, the copper will patina. It's a very nice effect. It doesn't ever lose its integrity from rusting and stuff like that. It'll patina. And then the haze right here, this haze has the same lid size as the base. And then we have another type of haze, which I'll show you here real quick. I'll get there really fast. Chimney caps. There's a haze bell that we offer, which is right here. And it's got, as you can see, the lid is larger than the base. Just for looks. It doesn't do any better for anything than that. So, again, what we want to do is we want to take and put a chimney cap on top that covers the entire top, that stops the moisture from penetrating down into the flue lining and the components of the fireplace, covers the entire top first row of brick, allows no animals to get in, is lifetime warranty. Then we're going to waterproof the chimney chase, brick or and mortar, to create moisture not to be able to come in to penetrate, but any moisture that is in there from sweating and perspiration on humid days can allow to leave. And then we're going to bond the chimney to the roof for a perfect watershed coverage of your chimney so that it will not leak ever again. Thank you for your time here at Master Services. We love to honor and do your chimney work for us. Any questions or anything, you can go to our website here. It's www.mastersservices.com, and all the information I just went through will also be on our website. Thank you and have a blessed day.